My name's Dave Belair. I'm the plant manager here at Windsor Assembly. This plant was built in 1928, so when you go through the plant, there's parts of this plant that are almost 100 years old. We're the biggest employer in the city with almost 4,000 employees in total, including TPTs. It's an integral driving part of this city. Like I've said before, it's a big city, but it's a small town. The quality here, this plant is known in North America for repeatability and quality with everything that we build. And now it's exciting that we're now building another product that was awarded to us in this plant. So the Dodge Charger is a pretty unique vehicle. It's all electric. It's kind of neat actually that you go in this plant, you see minivans going by and sports cars on the exact same assembly line. I would like to take the opportunity to congratulate them for a job once again well done that now allowed us to be given a product to make us even more efficient, more successful, and it just solidifies the strength and the belief that the company has in this group. We're very, very proud as a company and as a city of this plant specifically.